Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. We're still working up here at the deer camp. We're going to work on digging a ditch today. So we're in the backhoe, and we'll try and get some different video. And so we want the water to drain down this road. We put ditches on either side of the road, and we're just trying to drain some more of the property down the road here. So you can see up there maybe there's the transit, so we use that to decide how far down we got to come down the road before it starts flowing. So I'm going to have to pull up here and get her turned around. So we'll pause it. We'll get back into it. So anyhow, I'm here. I'm doing trying to do a little filming while I'm running the backhoe. So we got this one should pull it up. This one should push it out. And I'd never ran a backhoe before we bought the property. So this one over here should dump the bucket. So now I gotta change hands again. Pull her up, bring her in. Let's curl that bucket some more. And this is the ditch we're digging. So it's time to move the backhoe, so I'll raise the legs. I don't like to do them too fast because then they throw dirt all over you. So let's bring the bucket back over into the ditch. Bring the arm in some. Just get her a little lined up a little better. Uncurl the bucket. Alright, now we're going to raise the front bucket because we're using that as a stilt. And the backhoe is in neutral, so we're going to try pushing the backhoe backwards. We're going to try pushing the backhoe backwards with the bucket. So this is how we're moving the backhoe right now. Barry's over here on the other tractor. He's doing some loading. So he's moving the dirt from here to low spots. And so both of us were getting a lot done. So we're going to do some more of this ditching, and we'll talk to you later. Going to hit pause again. Well, I think I'm getting a little better. If you look right there in the bucket, all I picked up was that big rock. So I didn't want that big rock. Barry's here with his. So he's going to say, what in the world is Dean doing? But we're going to put it way over here out of the way. Hey, watch what I drop. At me. What a brother. All right, we're just getting stuff done. So you've probably seen enough of the backhoe and the tractor. So picked up the rock, set the rock over here. We'll pick it up when we're done. Like I always say, like, subscribe, comment. God bless you and God bless America.